Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry masala at home. This process allows you to create a custom blend with fresh, vibrant flavors that elevate any dish. To begin, you'll need a selection of whole spices such as cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and green cardamom pods. Ensure you also have a reliable spice grinder or a traditional mortar and pestle ready for the next steps. This foundational preparation is key to a truly aromatic masala. Now, let's move on to roasting. Place your whole spices in a dry pan over medium heat. Stir them continuously to prevent burning and ensure even roasting. You'll notice a wonderful aroma developing as they toast. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are fragrant and slightly darkened, immediately remove them from the heat to cool down completely. After roasting, it's crucial to let your spices cool down entirely. Once cool, transfer them to your spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Grind them into a fine, consistent powder. If using a grinder, pulse in short bursts to avoid overheating the spices, which can diminish their flavor. A smooth, fine powder is ideal for blending seamlessly into your curry dishes, providing a rich and even taste. Finally, let's talk about storage and usage. Transfer your freshly ground curry masala into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to maintain its potency and aroma for several weeks. When cooking, a good starting point is to use 1 to 2 tablespoons of your homemade masala per curry, adjusting to your taste preferences for a truly delicious meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.